friends, it's very easy to make your own punctal plug for basically for punctal stenosis. My co-authors are Dr. Bharti and Dr. Nidhi. Epiphora, the watering is the most common complaint. One of the latest least discussed etiology of epiphora is stenosis of the lacunar punctum. And the most common presenting symptom is tearing, but patients may have vague complaints, like any kind of ocular discomfort. Stenosis must be distinguished from the complete occlusion of the puncti, which differs in its treatment and prognosis. This review relates only to punctal stenosis. Now let's find out some few facts are there, like lower punctum is larger than the upper punctum. The upper punctal stenosis are more common than the lower punctal stenosis, and the diameter of the punctum is inversely proportional to the age. No study addresses the issue of the predictive value of epiphora in diagnosing acquired punctal stenosis. Therefore, the incidence and prevalence of punctal stenosis is yet to be determined. And it is also unclear whether a complaint of tearing warrants a meticulous search for this condition. The treatments are available like stents and plugs, and surgeries have been advocated, which includes vertical slit, horizontal slit, 1 or 2, 3 snip surgeries, etc. The punctal plugs are also advocated adjunct to these surgeries. What is our aim? Our aim was to find out do something about it and make such a plug which is very, very cheap, which anybody can make. You also can make without any problem and without any recurrence of punctal stenosis resulting in any epiphora. We did this study from for 3 years, from March 16 to April 2019. We examined the cases complaining of watering with punctal stenosis under slit lamps and other causes of epiphora were excluded. And these patients underwent punctal dilatation and syringing. Now, they were our group in different. A were syringing was done without any obstructions. Group B, C, and D had some obstructions somewhere. And out of group A, the group A1 was, there was a follow-up of on first day and 7 days. And the patient did not return. The no return of the patient by 1 month, it was 97 cases. Group A2, if the patients remain asymptomatic for 7 days, but come back later on with the same complaints. When we say later on, it means any day from first syringing to 30 days, and there were 156 cases. We did 39 cases for bilateral, that is upper and lower punctum, they were ignored. So out of these, group A, we had excluded patients in group A1 since there was no availability for the follow-up. These are the certain plugs available, like encerclage pigtail and mini monocast stent, which is very common, and bicanalicular autostable intubations. And what we make was a Bicatron plug. It had a flat knob. It had a first arm of 2 millimeters, and the second arm is of 10 millimeters. Now let's see the video. You take the cautery, and there's a Prolene sutures 00, and then you do the measurement, and while bending it has to be a little warmed, and then you can bend it. So this plug is ready for you. How easy it is to make. Now, how to put it in? Very easy. Little direct the punctum and insert it. And that's it. For removal, it's very easy again. Removed, and the patient remains asymptomatic. Now, instructions to the patient given was, we told the patient that they might feel a foreign body sensation, but please do not rub the eyes. While touching the eyes, the patient may feel little elevation or flat knob end, but not remove it. And the patient is shown the plug in the mirror that, look, this is the plug, please do not remove it. If it comes out, just let me know. The antibiotics drops report, the lead hygiene has to be maintained. In the case, if the case was that they felt something protruding out, coming out itself, must report immediately, should ignore little watering initially for 5 to 7 days time, and should follow up every 10 days, and should report after 40 days for the removal of the Bicatron plug. There were some self-excluded plugs, like within 10 days, there were 3 plugs which came out by itself. In 20 days, there were 10, 40 days, 70, 40 days, 109 cases. But look at the watering. After 10 days, there were just 2 cases of watering, 20 days, 4 cases, 30 days, 4 cases. After 40 days, before removal of the plug, there were 5 cases. After removal of the plugs, in 6 months, we just had 3 more cases of watering. So what it says that in 40 days, there was exclusion of 109 plugs. But after exclusion also, the watering only increased in only 3 patients. That is 148 cases after 150 cases had no watering. So we conclude that the Bicotron plug are a very cheap alternative in case of punctal stenosis for the treatment and control of epiphora. And these are my reference. Thank you so much. I'd love to have any questions.
Well, we are short of time. Thank you, Dr. Kashyap.